up in dishes. 63. The range of ginger used makes it either a background or foreground taste. 1c black-eyed peas, 3/4c water, 1/2-2 teaspoons ginger chopped, 1 stick kombu, 1/2-1 teaspoon marjoram, less for the slow cooker, 1/2 teaspoon rosemary, black pepper to taste, 1/2 pat butter or equivalent peanut oil, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon or less. Combine all ingredients except salt and cook the beans until done, overnight, in a slow cooker or about 50 minutes to an hour stovetop. Add salt to taste and allow another 10 minutes for the salt to cook in before serving. Note, if you use ginger paste that has salt, add it after the beans are tender and allow 15-30 minutes for the flavor to merge. Reduce extra salt if necessary. Variation: add 1 small whole chipotle for a smoky taste. Variation: for a meat-free version of Hot John, serve the black eye as over rice and topped with scallions or with onion relish. CP 71. Eat on New Year's Day for good fortune for the year. Lentil stew spice pattern: savory, 2/3 c lentils, 3 to 4 tablespoons olive oil, 1/4 c red lentils, to thicken broth. If desired, 2 cloves garlic chopped, 6 c water, 1-2 medium onions chopped, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon basil, 1 piece kombu or kelp, 1/2 teaspoon rosemary, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon thyme, 1/2 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon sage, 1 stalk celery chopped, 1 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 carrot chopped, black pepper to taste, 1 mud potato chopped, 1 small can diced tomatoes. Optional. 1 to 2 tablespoons lemon juice or to taste. Optional. Combine both kinds of lentils with water, kombu or kelp, seasonings and a little bit of oil. Bring to a boil and cook about 50 minutes or until all lentils are tender. When the lentils are tender, add the salt and pepper and diced tomatoes. Sauté the garlic, onions, celery and spices in the oil until the onions are transparent. Add carrots and potatoes, stir and cook another 5 minutes, then add to the stew and stir. Adjust salt and pepper to taste, and cook until potatoes are tender about 10-15 minutes. Add lemon juice a few minutes before serving.